In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Canva Pro for free. If you already use Canva's free plan and want to explore the premium features without paying upfront, this quick walkthrough will get you there using Canva's official free trial. Make sure you're signed into your Canva account on a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. The interface looks similar on mobile, but the options we'll use are easiest to find on a computer. Start on your Canva home screen. Look to the very bottom left corner of the page and click your profile icon. Depending on your setup, it may show your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. This opens your account menu, which is where Canva keeps all your personal and subscription settings. In the menu that appears, select Plans and Pricing. Sometimes this may appear as a similarly named option in your region, but it will clearly refer to subscriptions and upgrades. Clicking it takes you to the page that compares Canva's tiers side by side so you can see what's included in Free, Pro, and any other available plans. On the Plans and Pricing page, find the Canva Pro section. This is the tier that unlocks premium templates, brand management tools, the background remover, magic resize, and a larger content library. Within the Pro box, click Start a Free Trial. That button will begin the official trial process directly from Canva. No third-party sites or workarounds needed. From here, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm whether you prefer monthly or yearly billing after the trial, and to provide a payment method so the trial can start. Exact trial length and available promotions can vary by location and date, but Canva will show the details clearly before you confirm. You won't be charged until the trial ends, and you can cancel anytime during the trial to avoid being billed. A handy tip is to set a calendar reminder a couple of days before the trial expires so you can decide whether to keep Pro or switch back to the free plan. Once the trial is active, you'll see confirmation on your account and premium features will unlock right away. Try creating a design and look for options like background remover in the editor or test magic resize to adapt a design to different formats instantly. If you want to review or cancel your trial later, return to your profile icon and open your billing or plan settings from the same account area. That's it. By using the Profile menu, opening Plans and Pricing, and selecting Start a Free Trial under Pro, you can experience Canva Pro at no cost during the trial period. Enjoy creating.